Okay, let's check out our cabin 2462 here on Carnival Glory. First of all, as far as magnets go, these are barely on there. The doors must not be super magnetic or something, because those usually stick pretty good. So, need some strong magnets. Alright, we got this long hallway going in to the cabin. This is an ocean view cabin, and yet has two windows. This is an L-shaped cabin in the aft of the ship. It's a pretty cool cabin. We've had one of these before, and so we quite enjoyed it. We thought we would do it again. We've got the bed here, light switch in the headboard, and both sides have these lamps that have outlets, USBs in them, so you can plug your stuff in, and they both have little storage areas there. Moving on over here, your entertainment center, your makeup center, your workstation, your everything. Yeah, your refrigerator there, which was not very cold. One of the tricks is try to keep the door open a little bit, let the air flow. So it was pretty warm, so we just did that. We just got in the cabin or setting things up. So there's that, mirrors, and here are your outlets. Alrighty, then over here you got your, I don't even know what size that is. Pretty small TV though in the cabin here. And in here you are going to find a safe, which you have to use your card to lock it. It does not do the code like so many other ones. In fact, this is probably the first time we've ever been on a ship that does not just do a code. We already there was 2 bottles of water here. We already put them in the fridge because we are gold. We get, and even red and above at the current rewards program, get water bottles. We put them in the fridge already. You can take the ones from your cabin. We do travel with Chief Fun Officer Shaq there, so we do have him with us. Have a hair dryer with a pretty short cord. I mean, if you're sitting over here to do your hair, so there's that pretty short cord. Other than that, you got 3 drawers down here. Alrighty, and we just set our suitcase over here. Nice little spot for that. You have a table and a chair here. Haven't tried it yet, but I believe this table can be raised or lowered. There's this little mechanism there. It looks like it would go up and down, so that's kind of cool. 3 closets. First one over here is all shelves. Number 2, little shelf at the bottom, bunch of hangers, and the life jackets. And number 3, another shelf at the top, bunch of my shirts, just that at the bottom. There you go, and the bathroom. Pretty typical Carnival bathroom here. Got the little extra mirror. Things on the side. The shelves on the sides there for all your stuff. Give you a little bar of soap there. Oh, that's interesting. yes, we do had our swimsuits already hanging up here. Well, okay, I knocked that down. Anyway, there's the typical shower gel, shampoo, shower, and shower curtain there. And this is your controller for your thermostat, and the door light for the bathroom is kind of behind the door, so I guess you got to turn them on before you go in there. So anyway, there you go. That is this aft ocean view cabin on Carnival Glory.